Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. And while I'm cooking lunch today, it's like leftovers, heating them up, I'll show you what it is. Our dessert is done, and it's been out of the oven, it's cooling off. So it's like, I'll bring y'all along with the taste test to see how it turned out. So for lunch, Anastasia's having leftover orange chicken, and I'm heating up the rice for, and I'm having, which is on another video, and y'all will see that video soon. It is my black bean soup. Oh my goodness, it is so good. So be watching for that video. It's coming out soon. But here is the finished product. Now remember, one side is blueberry and the other side is apple. Now it's not exactly the same as like homemade stuff and everything. Still tastes so good. So I'm gonna use a spoon. Yeah, I didn't have my chair. Need to go get the chair. Alright, I'm thinking. Well, ain't nobody else eats this but me, but that's okay. Stir that around enough just for it to be heated. Alright, so here we go. This is the apple side. Oh, it tastes like warm apple pie. That is so good. Now, Bisquick does have a gluten-free version of their mix. So, if you want to make it gluten-free, or if you're diabetic and you need something else, they have that too. But this tastes like warm apple pie. Oh my goodness. So I'll show you. This is the blueberry side. Yes, blueberry. I love blueberries. They're my favorite fruit. There's a blueberry. I'll show you all the apple up close too. And here's the apple. Right on the counter. But yeah, that was homemade apple pie filling that I made last year. Year before last. It's still so good. She definitely good. Split in half and see which one tastes like what. You know, the blueberry side is the fruit and everything. You make it like a fruit cobbler or something. And the apples taste like apple pie. So good. I'll clean that up in a minute. But that's what we're doing today. That's lunch today. So, yeah. Here's a quick tip or an idea. When you go to restaurants and you get big orders and everything, and you can't eat half of it, eat what you can, save the rest for the next day for lunch or dinner. There you go. And I am going to enjoy my soup. Turned out really good. So, if you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and check out our links down below. We'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.